Still don't understand how this works. The this keyword in JavaScript is used to refer to an object that calls a function in which this word is used. This word helps you access the properties and methods of that object within the function. It is important to remember that the value of this can change depending on how the function is called, so you should be careful when using it. The bind method in JavaScript allows you to set the execution context of a function. The execution context of a function is the object referenced by the keyword this inside the function. The bind method creates a new function that will use a specific object as the execution context, regardless of how the function was called. The call method in JavaScript allows you to call a function with a specific object as the execution context of the function, instead of using the default this value. When you call the call method on a function, you pass the first argument to the context object that the this keyword inside the function will refer to. Then, if needed, you can pass additional arguments to the function. The main difference between the bind and call methods in JavaScript is that bind creates a new function with a hard-coded this value, whereas call calls a function with a specific object as its execution context. In other words, bind returns a new function with a specified context that can be called later, whereas call calls the function immediately with the specified context. If you want to save the function with the specified context for later call, use bind. And if you need to call the function immediately with the specified context, use call.